looking for you, Southmoreland. All right. Rosie in the blue, Anthrax in the red. Are you guys ready for some action? All right, we're good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, 3, 2, 1, battle! All right, right out the gate, Rosie. Doing some solid damage to Anthrax. Anthrax still moving. Upside down. Do it again. Rosie's out for blood. Anthrax back right. Anthrax still moving. Anthrax is still moving. Rosie getting the pin. Oh my goodness. Bedford showed up. All right, Anthrax. Oh, Anthrax still kicking. Oh no. Anthrax still moving, but Rosie just taking him to task. Oh, that might be it. My heart goes out to you, Anthrax, really.
Why did you keep going?
All right. Timer issues aside. Looks like Anthrax tapped out, so your winner from Bedford, it's Rosie.